In today's tutorial, you just had to disable the night shift on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and you want to go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Displays, and then on the right side, select Night Shift. If it says turn on until tomorrow, just toggle that to the off position. And if it's on a schedule, you might just want to turn that off as well. Select done to save, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.